Hey guys, this is Hamad and today I will show you how you can create different types of background effects with divi slider. So let's get started now. So first of all, I will create a divi slider. So let's add full width slider. Here we go. As you can see that the divi slider, the full width divi slider has been added. Alright guys, so I will show you how you can create different types of background effects with divi sliders. So go to settings, so then click on any slide. So let me click on slide number 1. Here we go. So you can see the heading, button text and the contents, but I will not change that these options. So move to the background option and let's click on background. Here we go. Here you can see 4 types of different options in the background section. So first option is the color option, where you can change different colors. So right now it's sky blue color. So let me change it to red, or let me change it to yellow. So you can change different type of colors. All right, the next option is background gradient. So let me change the background gradient colors. So here you can see 2 types of color combination. You can also change gradient type, which is linear or radial. So let me select the linear. So linear basically start from the left to right. So let me show you how you can change and play with the linear gradient type. So we have 2 colors. So let me change the second color to purple. All right, so let me increase the start position to, let's say, 50%. All right, and then end position is also moved to the 50%. Now you can see that the blue color is on top and the purple color is on bottom. So let me change the direction, gradient direction. So let me move it to little bit, say 200 degree. So you can see that beautiful curve effect. So let me increase it to, let's say, 270. So now you can see that our slider has been divided into 2 boxes. So in that way you can play with the gradient type linear. Cool. So you can so you can pick the options from start and end position, and then mix the gradient direction. Cool. So let me show you the option number 2, that is radial. So radial basically start from the center. So let me show you how it looks like. You can pick up the radial direction. Center is top right, and you can see different other option as well. Alright, so let me, here we go. You can see the circle. As I move or I decrease the starting point, the circle goes light and smaller, and in the same time when I increase the end position, the outer circle goes increase, and when I move to decrease end position, so the outer circle is going to small. Alright guys, so in that way you can play with the gradient types, but it totally depend upon your requirement. Alright guys, so this is the option number 2. So let's move to the option number 3. So here you can change the background image for your slider. So let me pick the image. So let's pick that image and upload it. And here we go. Now you can see that the background image is shown, but the background image is very light, so the text should be in dark. So let me change that text. So go to first slide, go to design, and then click on text, and then change text color to dark. So here we go. You have changed the text color. You can also change the button font and design and color as well. This is up to you guys. Alright guys, so this is the option number 3. So let's move to the option number 4, and the option number 4 is, so go back to background. So option number 4 is background video. So here you can add video background for your slider. So let me add a video background file for you, but one thing keep in your mind, and that is always select a small file, because if you will add a huge size file, so it will slow down your website. If you will upload a big file, so it will get a huge space on your hosting, and it will also slow down your website. Alright guys, I have already a video file in my WordPress dashboard media section. So let me copy that URL and then post into the URL. So here we go. So you can see that now the TV slider has a video background. Cool. And these are the four options where you can create different types of background effects with your TV slider. Alright guys, thank you very much. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family, and please subscribe to my channel. So see you in the next video. Thank you very much.